Hi everyone, Mike Donato here from Miami, Canada, and today we're going to be looking at the latest Jura machines. The ENA 4 in Nordic White and Metropolitan Black. The model for this machine is simply good coffee. Why is that? Because essentially all it does is espresso and Americano. This is the perfect machine if you're a coffee lover. I have an accessory with us today, which is a slimline cup warmer, and I'm going to be using that to preheat my cups. So why do I really like this machine? For me, I'm an espresso drinker, I'm an espresso purist, and I find that this really does make a nice espresso. Let's check out some cool new features on our ENA 4. What I really like about it is the solid Metropolitan Black colorway. So the whole machine is in that finish, and I really love the new water tank. This design first released on the ENA 8, but it's really easy to get, especially if you have a valence in your kitchen, and it's really easy to use. Pop the top off, fill it up, and I'm using the Claris Mini Smart Filter, which is applicable to this machine and the ENA 8. This machine also uses the new Aroma Professional G3 grinder, which is quieter and faster than the G2. The new ENA 4 uses the intelligent pulse extraction process when brewing espresso. Anything from 15 to 75 mil will use that. What it means is if the machine has been sitting for longer than 5 minutes, the machine will actually sense how long it's been sitting for and preheat all the internal mechanisms so your espresso will come out at the perfect temperature. Let's see how that works. Now it's going into that preheating process, so you're going to have the screen flickering. You're going to hear the machine dispensing some water into the tray. Once that's done and the internal mechanisms are hot enough, the machine will begin to grind the coffee and extract your first espresso. So what you'll notice is during that extraction, the machine was pulsating through the coffee. So it wasn't a traditional straight pour. Let's compare that to an Americano. So when I use my Americano function, I'm not going to hear that PEP technology. And the preheating hasn't started because I just used the machine, it doesn't need to use it. So the temperature at all the internal mechanisms is ready to go. So now you notice the pump sounds a little bit different. And that's because I'm making a drink that's over 75 mil. It's more of a straight and consistent sound and pour. The benefit of the pulse extraction process is the way that the water pulsates through the coffee. You're going to have a more robust and aromatic experience in your espresso. That'll automatically be activated for any drink between 15 and 75 milliliters. The way the ENA 4 works is really simple. You have your 3 strength sizes, and you can pick that using this button here. When I select it, you'll see I have my single bean, which is mild, double bean, which is normal, and 3 beans, which is my strong function. Then I have my 2 cup sizes, which is my espresso and Americano. Now those 2 options can be programmed any way you want. The small drink would be 15 mil all the way up to a max of 240 mil on each side. Anything between 15 and 75 will automatically use PEP, and anything above it will use a traditional extraction process. If I select the bean one more time, I also have the option for pre-ground coffee. So the machine has a chute where I can put anything pre-ground through it. So a decaf or a different blend if you and your household likes to try different things. Cleaning and maintenance on the ENA 4 is very similar to every other Jura machine. So you have your tray, which the machine will ask you to empty. This simply has your coffee grounds, fully sustainable compost. Any liquids will be caught in the tray. And other than that, you can choose to descale or use a filter and run through your cleaning tablet process. The brewing unit on these machines is not accessible by anyone, other than our service technicians. The way it works is it'll ask you for a clean, you drop the tablet inside the machine, any stale coffee, oils, fats left over will be flushed right out. So what are my thoughts on the ENA 4? Personally, I love the machine. The design and style of it would go great in any kitchen. It's easy to use and even easier to clean. And ultimately, that new PEP system is phenomenal. As an espresso purist, I love it. Thanks for watching. You can get all of these products online at www.fiamma.ca. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. Have a great day.